Gregory and Spencer began a fitness routine in order to build their upper body strength. Gregory's gains in muscle mass can be modeled by the function g of x equals 50 times log base 2 of x, where x is greater than 1. Represents the number of days he has followed the routine, which means more than one day. Spencer's gains for the same period of time can be modeled by the function s of t, or x of x, equals 20 times log base 4 of x. After day 1, Gregory has gained more muscle mass than Spencer by a factor of what? So after day 1, I'm assuming means day 2. Dose. All right, so let's take a look at Greg. Let's take a look at g of x. Let's take a look at Gregory. Okay. If I want to find out what g of 2 is, there's not really much to think. Okay, you just say g of 2 is going to equal 50 times log base 2 of 2. Now, before you freak out and say, like, how am I going to do that? I don't have a calculator. First off, log base 2 of 2 is 1. So he is 50 times 1, which is 50. So whatever that means, 50, I don't know, megatons, whatever. That's what Gregory is. Now, let's take a look at Spencer. Okay, let's take a look at Spencer, s of x. This is going to require a little bit more. In order for me to find s of 2, I have 20 log base 4 of 2. Now, I don't have a calculator. I can't do log base 4 of 2. But this is what I can do. I could use the fact that there exists a little guy called the change of base formula. Change of base formula says, actually, let me start it over here. If I have log base b of m, I can turn this into log base whatever I want. So log base t of m over log base t of b. Now, usually when we do this, we whip out our calculators and just do regular log and let our calculators do the work. I don't have a calculator. So in order for me to do log base 4 of 2, I'm going to be a little creative. I'm going to choose log base 2. So I'll do log base 2 of 2 up here, because that turns into 1, remember, over log base 2 of 4. And some of you might be thinking, I can't do that. I can't do log base 2 of 4. I can if I do 2 squared. You see, this becomes, 20 is still there, by the way. Log base 2 of 2 is 1. Log base 2 of 2 to the whatever power drops down to whatever power. So log base 4 of 2 just turns into a half. Interesting. 20 times a half is 10. So after day 2, Gregory is 50 whatever, Spencer is 10 whatever, and the question is how much more muscle mass by a factor of what? Well, 50 is 5 times more than 10. So that'll be our guy. Kind of a not fun problem, very difficult in my opinion, but yeah, we did it.